back to the channel. In today's video, we will be taking a deep dive into the product catalog in Bitrix24. What are the fields are available in backend section regarding the product catalog? I will explain in this video not just the user interface but also what's happening behind the scenes in the backend. So whether you are Bitrix user, admin or developer, this video very help you understanding how product data is managed, stored or used throughout the Bitrix CRM section. So what is a product catalog? The product catalog is a Bitrix24 is a central place where you can store all your products or services. It helps sales teams add items directly to deals, invoices, or quotations, keeping your pricing and inventory consistent. So, in this product catalog, if you observe the user interface, product name, a product SKUs, pricings, and currencies, quantity in stock, VAT or GST tax options, categories, and other fields are available in the user interface. So like that, you can identify backend fields in the product catalog section. Today, I will explain how to find out the product catalog related backend fields. So for that, you can go to the developer resource and you can mention crm.catalog.field. You can pass this method and after that you can paste the copy this URL and go to there postman before copy this URL. You can save it and then go to the postman and then paste it in the postman section and you can pass the post method. You can choose your product catalog, any product catalog for identifying the field section, backend fields. So I have already passed my product catalog ID and these are the fields are available in this product catalog section. So like that you can identify your product catalog fields, that means backend fields. I hope this video is very useful. If you have it's useful this video, you can like and subscribe channel. After that it's very useful to other users also. If you have any doubts, please mention your comment section. I whenever I have a free time, I will see and then reply to you. Thank you.